Maserati has just revealed the Grecale, a luxury midsize SUV that will rival the Porsche Macan. While the Grecale will initially launch with petrol engines, the version we are interested in is the Grecale Folgore, which will be the first all-electric Maserati SUV. Maserati says the Grecale embodies the concepts of innovation, versatility, and luxury. The Italian carmaker says it is a best-in-class SUV in terms of spaciousness and comfort. Maserati claims its new SUV has a distinctively sporty appearance, without sacrificing comfort, and that it accommodates the 99th percentile in both the front and rear seats. We would expect similar comfort levels from the electric version too. In terms of design, there are only tiny details which separate the electric Grecale from its combustion siblings. The grille, which hosts the Maserati Trident, looks a bit different on the electric SUV, but aside from that, there are not too many differences. Maserati says the SUV embodies the intrinsic values of being made in Italy, the values of Maserati, and its new era. There is a lot of inspiration which comes from the MC20 sports car, especially up front, whereas the rear takes some highlights from the Giugiaro 3200 GT. The sporty trapezoidal appearance is an intrinsic feature across the entire car, and is made more striking by the coupe effect of the cabin that finishes like a sleek window of a sports car. Maserati has confirmed a 105 kWh battery using 400-volt technology for the electric SUV. It will be capable of delivering 800 Nm of torque, but Maserati has not revealed the performance figures yet. A dual-motor all-wheel drive setup could take the sprint time to 60 mph to under 4 seconds. Maserati is proud to talk about the colors on the all-electric variant. The Italian luxury brand says that the colors are inspired by manufacturing, while picking up on contemporary environment. With the launch of its first electric SUV, Maserati is also introducing an exclusive color. Called Rami Folgore, it is based on extensive research into how the paint can interact with light, which evolves into a living being in constant interaction with its surroundings. The inspiration is drawn from contemporary architecture, specifically from the facade of the Guggenheim in Bilbao. These colors are made possible by the use of iridescent pigments. The Grecale will be equipped with the latest Maserati Intelligent Assistant multimedia system, which comes with a 12.3-inch screen, the largest ever included in a Maserati, with a resolution of 15 million pixels in Ultra HD. At the heart of it is the Android Auto operating system, offering speed, great performance and data processing similar to a tablet's, as well as more memory, for a highly responsive user experience. Buyers will also have the option of an enhanced sound system. Designed and engineered by the specialists at Sono's Faber, the Italian artisans of sound, the sound system offers 2 levels of customization, the highest of which boasts 21 speakers and 3D sound with an output of up to 1,200 watts for depth of field and truly unique roundness of sound. Maserati says the Grecale Folgore is due on the market 1 year after the hybrid and petrol models. It will be 100% made in Italy. So we can expect the electric SUV in the second half of next year, and sales in the United States will also start by then. Expect prices to start from around $65,000 for the entry-level model. 2023 is looking to be an interesting year for Maserati, as it will also launch its first electric vehicle that year. What are you most looking forward to in the electric Grecale? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to follow Top Electric SUV.